Tonight we continue our three-part series on the Affordable Care Act. While the new law has been the subject of a lot of criticism, there are some success stories. TV6's Iron Mountain Kingsford Bureau reporter Abby Miller spoke to a woman who now has a doctor for the very first time since she was a child.
Brianne Pellegrini was working 2 part-time jobs and had no insurance at the beginning of this year.
Not having insurance is very scary, and I never went to the doctor. In fact, I haven't had a doctor since my pediatrician. I never liked going to the emergency room, even if things were really bad and I was concerned. I didn't want to because I knew it would be coming out of my pocket.
So she decided to check out insurance through the Affordable Care Act, otherwise known as Obamacare.
I ended up getting a really good plan for $32 a month, and it just depended on what you needed. Like, I don't go to the doctor a lot. I don't have any issues medically. So for me, it was kind of choose the middle. If something happens, it's covered. Otherwise, I don't want to be paying $200 a month if I'm not going to be using it.
The different plans offered can sometimes be confusing, and that's where the Medical Care Access Coalition in Iron Mountain comes into play as they help people through the sign-up process.
It's a scary process, and there's a lot to learn. It's not that people can't sign up on their own. They just don't feel comfortable, and they want to go to somebody who can kind of talk them through it at least the first time.
Now, Brianne is going to receive coverage because she applied before enrollment closed, but if you missed that deadline, don't worry, there are still some other options available.
They can go to see an insurance agent if they'd like and pick out a policy, just an individual policy.
There are what's known as special enrollment periods, and it's for life-changing events, whether it be getting a job, losing a job, having a child.
But at this point, though, they would not qualify for a subsidy, a tax subsidy, so they wouldn't get a discount.
Since receiving coverage, Brianne says it's been a weight lifted off.
I had gotten a bill and I looked at it and I'm like, ooh, you know, I can't really afford to pay that right now. And then that was how much it would have cost me. And then I looked at what I had to pay, and I'm telling you, it was a world of difference. It was the difference of paying $1,000 compared to what I had to pay, which was $70.
In Iron Mountain, Abby Miller, TV6 News.